Hello guys, let me show you how to do a head massage with Maya hair oil, the true Ayurvedic way to reduce your hair fall, strengthen hair roots and promote hair growth. Beauty Kraft Maya hair oil is one natural solution for all your hair problems, the Ayurvedic way. It's approved by 25,000 women and is rated one of the best hair regrowth oil by both men and women. Here are the head massage steps designed to activate marmassthanas or subtle points in the scalp to activate the nerve points, reduce hair fall, strengthen hair roots and promote new hair growth. So here are the steps. Take deep breaths 3 times and exhale. Now locate the center of the head where the chakra resides. This is the point how you have to locate the center point. For all the center points in the nerves in the scalp and must activate for the better hair growth. So this is the center point of your scalp to activate the center hair growth. So I am holding my center point of the scalp. Now I am taking the hair oil. This is the Maya Intensive Hair Oil. So I'll be using this hair oil into my center point of scalp. So here's the Maya hair oil. So this is the center point for all the nerves in the scalp and must be activated for a better hair growth. So take sufficient quantity of Maya hair oil and pour it on the marmassthanas or the center of the scalp like I did. Tap for 7 to 8 times. Rub it gently with the palm for half minute to 1 minute. This removes the trapped heat from the scalp and activates the marmasthana. Now spread oil all over the scalp and gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it for 30 to 60 minutes and hair wash with a gentle hair cleanser without harsh chemicals. I'm proud to say that Beauty Kraft Maya hair oil has about 90% happy customers who experienced reduced hair fall in 21 days, and 2 in 3 customers reveal that they are seeing new hair growth within 90 to 100 days after starting to use Maya hair oil. What are you waiting for? Click the link above to know more about Maya hair oil. Buy your product now.